Welcome to St Michael's National School in Castletown-Geoghegan. This is our entry to the ReelLIFE Science Challenge. We've chosen science heroes as our theme. Our hero is Dr. Sheila Tinney, and this is her story.
Sheila Tinney was born in County Galway on the 15th of January 1918, the fourth of 6 children.
Her father, Michael, was a professor of mathematics at UCD. Sadly, her mother passed away when she was only 12 years old.
One of Sheila's fondest memories was of her mother playing the piano at home, and she became an accomplished pianist, herself in turn aspiring of her own children to learn to play.
She was educated by the Dominican nuns at Taylor's Hill and Cabra in an era when arithmetic girls only was a subject for the intermediate certificate. Only 8 girls got honours in maths in the Leaving Certificate in 1935.
After 1 year attending UCG, she switched to University College Dublin, from which she graduated with BSc in 1938 with first-class honours in mathematics and ranked at the top of her class. She did a master's at UCD in 1939 and was subsequently awarded a National University of Ireland travelling studentship.
This enabled her to undertake research at University of Edinburgh in Scotland. 2 years later, in 1941, she earned her doctorate, becoming the first woman from Ireland to do so.
Returning to Dublin, she became an assistant lecturer at UCD and was also one of the first 3 scholars appointed to Dublin Institute for Advanced Studies, DIAS, in October 1941.
From 1948 to 1949, she took a leave of absence from UCD and was a visiting scholar at the end for Advanced Studies in Princeton, where she worked in an environment that included Albert Einstein.
She developed the first mathematical courses on the quantum mechanics at UCD and taught the subjects to generations of students there until her early retirement in 1979.
During her time at UCD, she gained a reputation for helping younger female colleagues who were trying to develop their careers.
She showed women that they could do lots more than they thought and proved this by gaining her PhD.
Lots of people are still inspired by her success to try their hardest no matter what.
Outside of her achievements and education, she married Sean Tinney, former engineering student, and together had 3 children.
She developed the first mathematical courses on quantum mechanics at UCD and taught the subject to the generations of students there until her early retirement in 1979.
Sheila died in 2010 after a battle with Alzheimer's disease, which was diagnosed in 1994, but her legacy lives on.
At St Michael's, we remember Sheila for her achievements and her inspiration to millions of women around the globe.